Good morning. This is Vinod. Welcome to Vinod SQL Queries. So today we'll be discussing about a very good question. So when you face 10 interviews, definitely in 7 to 8 interviews they will ask the same question. So let's quickly go to the question first. So why there is only one primary key for a table? See, whenever the interview will ask, usually people will give three best answers which are not suitable for this particular question. So these are the answers. The first answer is primary key won't allow any null values, and the second one is primary key won't allow any duplicate records. And whenever we are creating a primary key, automatically cluster index will form. Okay, but these are all not suitable for this particular question. Basically, these are the properties of a primary key. Okay, so let's go to the answer. So let me explain the answer with a scenario so that people can understand very easily. And I'm having a table called a T, and having a two columns ID and ID1, and the content is like this. Okay, so let me explain how this scenario will work. So I'm creating a primary key P1 on column ID, sorry. So whenever we're creating a primary key, automatically the data will be sorted in a physical order, nothing but in a ascending order. If you see in a ID column, already that data in a ascending order, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, here there were no changes. Okay, and basically we cannot able to put multiple primary keys in a table. And let us assume if you put what will happen. Okay, here in the same table I am creating a primary key P2 in ID 1 column. If you see the data in a descending order, and whenever we are creating a primary key, it will be assigning in a ascending order. So the data is like this: 6 7 8 and 9 10, and corresponding is rows like y4 3 2 1. So now I'm having a two result set. So let's quickly write a SQL query. So select top 3 star from this particular table. I named it as a T. Okay, so when I'm executing this particular query for the first for the two result set, so I'll be getting top three records, correct? So let's highlighted those rows. Okay, so when I'm executing a query for any table, it should return a same result set. Okay, but if you see in the first result set I'm getting 1 2 3 10 9 8, and the second result set I'm getting a 5 4 3 and 6 7 8. So what is happening means, so whenever we're creating a multiple primary keys for a table, so it is shuffling the data. Okay, but it should not be the case. Okay, so it should return a same result set only if you write any of the query. Okay, that is the reason. So we should not create a multiple primary keys for a table. Okay, so in this way we need to give a explanation for the interviewer, so that he will satisfy. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. So if you really like this, please subscribe.